My first opportunity with wood and metal came in college when I was in the sculpture department at UNC Asheville. Going into college from high school, I was really into clay and doing hand building and pottery. And I thought that I was going to continue that, but as soon as I got my feet wet with wood and metal, I found that I had a new passion. From a really young age, my grandfather was a big influence on me. He was a writer and an illustrator, and I remember sitting for hours just watching him draw and just absorbing the different things that I was seeing. Now I'm pursuing my passion, and I've turned my hobby into a full-time career. This work is my creative outlet, and building things has just come natural to me. Woodworking, to me, is an opportunity to bring out the natural beauty that already exists in a piece of wood. A lot of my material is getting locally sourced, and when you would look at these trees, you might think they're trash, or I'm just going to cut this up into firewood or haul it away to the landfill. But this is where I feel I find a lot of my treasures. Whether it's a coffee table for your home, a public sculpture for an outdoor space, or a commercial project, I enjoy the personal relationship that's developed with clients and giving them the one-on-one attention that's needed when developing a one-of-a-kind piece. I would love to speak with you further on how I can make your vision a reality, and I look forward to starting the conversation.